Here in the second part of 39 day, okay. Would you like to exert your own mentality? Whatever you are doing in life, you know, you are taking a single step, you are taking a your journey is little bit, you are taking a little bit, you're completely here, so you are not at the top of your successful and professional journey, but you are still chasing. You're in the process of getting something really precious and how appreciating things. So that's why you have to exert yourself instead of discouraging other people. You must not have to deter other people if they are chasing their dreams. And then we have to what I know a lot of people are here deter other people instead of encouraging those people towards their positive. Because people are here. Like I know I was here to say that, but people are here really reckless, reckless, neglecting. And even they have a lot of people have a cruel. Really how reckless people how they always come to curse you. They don't ever pray for you. They never wanna pray for your successful journey. That kind of prosperous life. I know about every people's, but I'm just living all these things. And my mentality won't be divert because of their perception, perceive. What whatever their opinions, viewpoints. I'm not gonna say, but I don't work under anyone's perception, perspectives. I'm here with one own mentality, and I will always work. Even my journey is really how will become really rude, and complicated, complex. But I won't give up because giving is not my giving up on my dreams is not that kind of mentality. That kind of things is not in my blood. It has no more existence. It has its existence were looped or something like that, destroyed it, completely dominated, eliminated. So I didn't ever think about it, and I can if I'm come to what uh, entreat other ahead of other people, for my successful that kind of journey, for even just for a little bit job in that way. I can my every whatever I have got, my graduation, my qualifications, my academic certificates will it has it since it has just zero value in the market. I'm not able to become that kind of product. Even I'm not making my skills. Because it shows that I haven't any skills to produce that kind of things in the market. So once I learn all the things in that way, my life will become so easier. Even more than I used to think. I was thinking about it. Even I was assuming all these things, like how really all these things saying it is really terrible. How can I live in this society or community? I used to say, but with over time, everything is I'm not caring about anyone's perspective. I'm here, for my own journey, for my own existence. So people here come to insist you and insult you, and irritate you when they have no work, or they are when you are actually working on your what progress or something like that. So even in that way, don't ever feel like that nobody's with you and nobody wants your success. Let them say whatever they like to say. Just focus on your career, and that will be always better. To know about your success. So people who are working alone, going alone, they always get what a lot of success in their life, because they can lead their entire life towards positivity or something like that. So even I'm not accepting and anticipate something really precious and lucrative things isn't my type. I'm here to hard work, to gain experience instead of that achievements. I'm not here just to chase the dreams and motive. Sometimes my every journey, my whatever I'm taking, a single step that is little bit that seems just normal and how uh, really straightforward in my eyes, but good. I'm literally gaining the experiences of my life at the age of 18, and this is really how lucrative, and I'm gaining a lot of things. I feel I must have to feel proud of myself because to have all this knowledge and wisdom with me, and I'm actually investing this energy into my communication and convey skill to make that better. to improve it, and that's why I have to fail, so what, even these kinds of thing can embitter other people, but even in that way, I'm what, I'm not even people come to say that you are not a ethical or moral person. You lose your own mentality, your own perception perspective. There's no thing in your what perception viewpoints perspectives. A lot of people are come to say, but I'm not gonna care. I'm here to just to improve myself, to ameliorate myself, and that's why I'm here. I'm not for other. Even people are here for other. They think for others, but they don't want others' prosperity, prestige, harmony, or repetitions, but I always think what's is going happening, what is happening around me, what kind of circumstances and consequences will happen because as I used to be there, because of my what anything what is happening ahead of me, and that was I always remember, I will actually deeply see the consequences, what's going in, what is actually we have already left a lot of things, besides behind, but always have to remember what was happening, and it will bring a lot of changes, even that, even in a negative or positive way, but that's not my mentality. I always think for others, everyone's prosperity, harmony, so that kind of people I'm going with that kind of vision, so that's my initiation. What, so that's it. So how can you feel when you are convinced, convinced balanced, unbalanced, you might have feel little bit good enough, because you were somewhere in a perilous way, that kind of really miserable situation, but now you are able to get rid of from that kind of problem, and so that's why that's really help a little bit and pretty good help journey, so you also gain a lot of things, and learned, you have learned many things in your life. It would be better if I had took this what and took these decisions, or where have been in this process or something like that, so in that way you can have this kind of perception, but you always have to chase something really precious and look at it in your life, so that's it. So would you like if somebody come to what be more ahead of you, and that way you have to give sympathy or empathy to that person, because they deserve, brother. If but you mustn't have to what be more in your sadness, your sorrowful situation and conditions, because if you come to share these among the people, these things um, among the people who are really reckless and ruthless, and that way they'll come to betray you, and you won't get anything in return, so it is better not to say anything to the people, so always focus in your career, your journey, your what aim, your purpose, and your strategy, and that's enough, and you always have to focus on that kind of things, even everything whatever you are expressing and sharing through this video, what that seems like how compendious, but that's little bit, that's a bit brief thing, but it's a how it is compendious, and it has to be, because if we come to know everything about whatever I'm gonna sharing here, and that way that would be a really appreciating thing, and we always have to think in this way, some people are here like how who's working on their shell, who's still working in their further, they're working for their purpose, their aim, so the people can be like how children is, but if they come to suggest you and advise you, they won't they never pray for your, like, they don't want to discourage you, they always wanna, they might have always what directed, and they would like to what lead you your journey towards positivity or something like that, so always listen there everything with your proper vision, your strategy, so everything matters in your life, so don't divert and what wander anywhere for anything, because you must have to go with your what. If you are dreamless, purposeless in that way, it's a really what. This is a kind of concern, and we always have to think about it. If you haven't any proper decisions, appropriately, you are not taking any decisions appropriately. You are not going with what in a dynamic